Welcome to all. Uh, Today we will discuss about the subqueries or nested queries concept. So theoretical concept is already discussed and it is there on playlist. You can please go through it and some examples already given, one or two examples. So today we'll do more examples on EMP department table. So one by one we'll do. So before going to discussion, first of all we have to print the EMP table and the department table. So let's start from department. Okay, this is the schema and values already I have created based on this database and based on this availability of the tables. We can work with some queries. So first query, so I can post it on YouTube. So comment box you can note down. This is the question number one. You can see. Otherwise, I'll read out the question. You can note down if you want, or else you can see here in chat box the question. Write an SQL query to find the employee who earned the third highest salary from employee table in Oracle. Display both employee's name and salary. So, for example, if multiple employees have the same third, include all of them in the result. So, in connection to the same query, one more condition I'm giving, that is also posting. You can see here. This is a complete single question only. Write an SQL query to find employee or employees who earn the third highest salary from the employees table in Oracle. Display both the employee name and salary. In connection to the above question, if multiple employees have the same third highest salary, include all of them in the result. So let us see how it will print. So how to do it. So we already know that select how to get the maximum salary from the table. Select max of e salary from EMP. You can see here. So from the employee table, you can see the highest salary is 72,000. So, but we wanted to print the third highest salary. It is already explained. So let us see how we have to work it on. Select max of e salary from EMP where e salary is less than select max of e salary from employee. So if we see here, we'll get the so the highest salary is 72,000 and the second highest salary is 62,000. So this is the query for second highest salary. But we need the third highest salary. That's why we have to extend from one more nested or one more query in a query we have to add. So select from employee where e salary less than select max of e salary from EMP. Invalid character, extra character, unexpected. So we have to close this. So we can see here this is the third highest salary. The first highest salary is 72,000. Second highest salary is 62,000. Third highest salary is 42,000. But in our question is, so find the name of employees who earn the third highest salary from the employee table and also print the employee name. Okay, in the case if multiple employees are there having the same name, same highest salary, then include all of them. So So then we have to print the name also. Then select is name, comma is salary. Okay, and if you want to is salary from EMP, where is salary is equal to select max of is salary from EMP, where is salary is less than select max of is salary from EMP, where is salary less than. So last part, select max of is salary from EMP. So now we have to close it. Select spelling wrong. Select. You can see here. So the third highest salary we are asking. So we already seen the first highest salary is 60 to 72,000. So for clarity, you can see the table. The highest salaries. So if you want to get the highest salary, already know it. Max of each salary from EMP, you can get without seeing table also. You can get the maximum salary. Highest salary is second 72,000. Second highest salary is 62,000. Third highest salary is 42,000. If multiple employees having the same salary, third highest salary, include them also. So this is the complete answer for the given question. So in name, Kesari is having the third highest salary and AGG is having 42,000 and AGG 5. So these are the different names I have given. These are, do not worry about the names. So you can take any other names also, employee names. This is the name of the employee who is having the third highest salary. And so for example, if you want to print employee name, employee salary, and okay. So for example, if you want to see department also, you can see. The third highest salary employees belongs to the 10th department, and fourth highest salary is related to the 15th department, and so you can see here. So likewise, so actually this is the up to here. This is the answer. This answer is sufficient for the given question. Okay, I hope you got the question number one. So we already discussed how to work with the nested queries. Query within a query we have to arrange and we have to evaluate the conditions based on the nested query. Inner query will pass the data to the outer query and outer query will print the values. So that is about question number one. So if you want to note, you can note down. So now we'll go to the another question. Next question is, so as of now we already seen. Yes, done. Yeah. Select name from employee where select distinct salary from employees order by salary. Okay. So when you go with the internet, you will find many number of queries. That is not the problem. But so understanding is very important. You can note the second question. How to find the nth highest salary? For example, question is given to find the nth highest salary. So we already seen first, second highest salary, third highest salary, fourth highest salary. Then if you want to see nth highest salary, then how to get it? Select name, comma e salary from EMP, where is salary, where instead of we have one formula, like one logic we are taking. So we have to create instance for it, and where n minus 1. Here n minus 1 is nothing but, for example, for a third highest salary, uh, n is the 3, n minus 1. So the third highest salary is required, 3 minus 1 is 2. We have to keep here 2 and select max of the salary from EMP, create another instance for it, employee table, where E1 dot is where E1 dot E salary is equal to E2 dot E salary. So you can see here, third highest salary, it is greater than. Select count of, not max, count of E salary. Here greater than. You can see here. So for the third highest salary, you can observe here. This is the third highest salary already we have done calculated. So for the same question, the another way. So instead of writing this much of query, we have another option, like for third highest salary, we can use select ename e salary from EMP. Uh, Instance we have to create for employee table only. We are not talking about the another table. For the employee table only, we are retrieving even where. So here n minus 1. So for example, if you want the third highest salary, it is n minus 1 is 3 minus 2. Then it will be 2. For example, fourth highest salary, if you want, then 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. If we see here, 4 minus 1 is 3. Count of each salary, if we see here 2. It is greater than, each salary is greater than, this is 2. For example, second salary, this is the first, 2 minus 1, this is the first highest salary. And similarly, you can calculate for our highest. Select star from EMP. So his salary is 5. It is not there. For example, it is 15. So it is not available. So select star from EMP n minus 1. N minus 1 third highest salary is 2. So this part, inner query part, it is going to calculating where E1 dot salary is greater than E2 dot salary. So salary is greater than, so it is calculating greater than. Okay. So for third highest salary, you can calculate like that. If we keep here equal to third highest salary, 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. Let us see. Can you just you note down that formula and just you can work it on. This is the second kind of write a query to find employees. Write a query to find employees earning highest salary in each department. How to write a query to find employee earning highest salary in each department. Department wise, you want to see highest salary. Then how to get it? Select star from EMP. Select ename comma salary comma DID from EMP. We are printing and we can take the instance of this E1 where, so we are taking C salary is equal to department wise. I wanted to print the salary is equal to select P salary maximum of P salary from EMP instance to taking where E1 dot DID is equal to E2 dot DID. Let us see what will print. Select ename spelling wrong something beginning select spelling wrong. So you can see here. So department name is 10 now. So for the department name, highest salary is maximum. You can observe here, 10th department, two salaries are there. Two employees are there in 10th department. Highest 22,000 to 42,000. Highest salary is 42,000. 11th department, how many employees are there? Only one employee. Highest salary is of 62,000. So if we take next to 12th department, only one person is there. Highest salary is 72,000. Next, 13th department is there. In 13th department, two employees are there, 32,000, 42,000. Then maximum salary is 42,000. 15th department is there, only one person is there. Then the highest salary it is only 40. So 15th department also 42,000 only. Okay. So, so I hope you got the point. You can see here. This is the answer. So if you want, you can move on. So next question. Write a query to find employees who earn more than their average salary of an employee. So I wanted to print the average salary of an employee on department wise. Okay. So we'll go for that. Select employee name, comma e salary department from EMP E1 where DID. So whenever you're so DID is not required. Just you can take the e salary only and greater than select average. We have to calculate. Select average of e salary from EMP instance created where okay E1 dot DID is equal to E2 dot DID. Let us see what happens. You can see here. So first of all, we'll see the average of the can print. employee table and average salary. Select average of e-salary from ENP. So this is the average of the 44,857. So this is the average of the department, average of the salary. So for example, department wise, if you want to get, so you already know it, average salary, uh, DAD from EMP, group by DAD we can print. So you can see here, this is the 10th department average salary, 11th department average salary, and 13th department average salary, 15th department average salary. So who is earning more than their average salary department wise? For example, if you see here, 10th department average salary is 32,000. So here we need the employee details who are earning more than their department average salary. So department average salary is 32,000. One employee is getting 42,000 in the same department. So that's why it is printed. Similarly, 33 13th department average salary is 37 department. So one employee is there, he is getting 42,000. He is already earning the department average, greater than department average salary. So that's why it is printed. This is the answer. So the employee who is earning the salary more than the department average salary. So we can see here, this is the department average salary. So department wise average salary, and the remaining people are they are not earning more than the department average salary. Okay, because it is already printed 12th department 42,000 average salary. Only one member is there. That is only the salary. Okay. So for this question, this is the answer. Find the name of the employee who is earning the salary more than the department average salary. So if you want, you can note. Next, we'll see one more question. Next question. Hold on. Find the name of employee who is working in IT department. Find the name of employee who is working in IT department. So for detail, you can see first of all we'll print two tables. Working in IT department means we have to go for second table also, employee table, and let us print department table also. So we already know it. Who is working for IT department? Employee 2, roll number. Who is having the employee ID? 2, he is working for IT department, and his department ID is 11. So department ID 11 is nothing but he is called his name is called Ramesh, and his salary is 62,000, and his age is 31. Okay, so that information we have to print using queries only. So in this session we are working on using queries only. So these questions can also be solved by using joins also, or by using group by and having class also. But exclusively, so if they mention using nested query, we have to use like this only. In nested queries, we can also use other combinations also, but we have to show that pattern. Okay. So select e name, comma e salary, comma DAD from EMP. So we have to print the department also. That's why we have to involve department ID. Select DID from department. DID from department, where we can say what is the name of the department. Department name is equal to IT. Okay, we have got it. So whatever we have discussed, that is the same information we have got. Okay. So instead of this, if I want all the details of the employee who is working for IT department, we can get like this. So if you want all details, we can print like this. Employee ID is 3 and he is Ramesh and age is 31 and his salary is 62,000 and he is belong to the department 11. Department 11. Okay. Similarly, for example, I want the details of the person who is working for CSE department. Department employee instead of okay single row, then instead of you can take operator. So if you want to check with more, then you can take in operator. So select ename eSalary from by using in operator. We can also get select all details of employee who is working for department 10. You can see here roll number. Employee 1 is working for CSE and his name is Bharat and another employee holding uh, employee ID is 2 and he belongs to the other department. Uh, so department ID is 11, CSE department and one more person is 10, employee ID is 1. So that's why it is printed. So it depends on the department table only. That's why here one repetition is there for 11 CSC and for 10 also CSC. That's why it is printed. All the details who are printed who are working for CSC department. Okay, that's all. So next we can work for one more question. For example, who is working for IT department and CSC? Both tables, for example, both departments. Who is working for both departments? Who is working for both departments? So, for example, employee one he is working for CSC and employee two is working for IT. Whereas employee one is working for CSC department. Employee two, you can see here, employee two is working for IT department and he is also working for CSC department. So then how to get these details? Select rename comma salary comma DID from EMP where DID in select DID from EMP sorry department where D name is equal to IT. Okay, and you have to use and operator and ename in we have to open the subquery and write the same story again. Same story. Select ename from EMP hmm, where where DID in select DID from department where dname is equal to CS using parenthesis. Extra parameter, extra parenthesis is required. EMP table doesn't exist. Table name is wrong given from EMP. Okay, got it. So you can see here. So Ramesh is working for department 11. You can see here he is working for IT department and um, CS department, IT department and CSC department. So this concept is using subqueries only. So we can also do it with primary key, foreign key concept, joins also. No problem. Okay. So now we'll go for another question. Find employee with highest salary in each department. Find the salary. Find the employee with the highest salary in each department. Department wise, highest salary. Who is getting? We have to calculate. Select e name, comma, e salary, comma, emp e1. So here we are using only single table. That's why we can take instances from emp where emp1 where we need to calculate the salary in select max of e salary from emp e2 where e1 dot is did is equal to v2 dot did. So department wise we have to print the name of the e name is wrong. E name you can see here. This is department wise. So 10th department maximum highest salaries 42,000. 11th department highest salaries 60,000. And who is getting the highest salary? Kesari here. Here Ramesh. And 12th department highest salary 72,000. And Narasimha is getting that salary. And 30th department highest salary is AGG. And 15th department highest salary is AGG. The name of the employees. So this is the answer for the question. Find the name of the employee who is getting highest salary in their department. So the question is find the employee with highest salary in each department. You can repeat it. Okay. So now we'll go with another question. Find the employee. Find the departments having at least one employee. Find the departments having at least one employee. So before going to that, print two tables for clarity. Select star from EMP department. So find the departments who is having at least one employee. So the answer, I hope we got it. 10, 11, 13. So these departments only having the at least one employee. So when you compare with the two tables, these two people are only getting 10, 11, 13. Okay. So then how to get it? Select e-name, comma, e-salary, comma, department ID from EMP where e-salary in. Okay. Select. You have to compare with department table. We don't have e-salary. That's very better to take DID. I think DID Let us check DID from department where emp.did is equal to department.did. You can check. We'll check it. Yes, correct. So 10th department. So find the departments who is having at least one department. So 10, 11, 13. So these three departments were only having the link with some employees, one or two. So at least one employee. So we have to find like this in operate. So this is the answer for it. We can go on. Next question. Find the departments that have no employees. Find the department that have no employees. For example, you can see here, find the departments that have no employees. If we see here, department ID is having 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. And in the department, they are not having the associated, they are not, their entries are not here. 10, 11, 13 only is there. So find the department that have no employees. So with respect to the department, so we don't find any employee related to the 12th department to 15th department. Okay. So then how to get it? So we'll print department table and employee table. Select ename, comma, salary, comma, DID from EMP where DID in not in select. Okay, select DID from department where emp.did is equal to department.did. Okay. So this is the answer for it. So 12th department having no link in the department. So that's why no employees are there in the department. Um, no entries are there in the department table. That's why it is not included. Like, and at the same time, 15th department is also not having any link in the entry in the department table. So that's why it is also not shown. So 15th department. So we want the details of the employee who is not having any employees in the department. Their corresponding employee details. So for example, if we want to print all details of that employee, we can see here. So department 12, their salary is 72,000 and their employee ID is 4, name is Narsima and age 22 and see these all are practicing queries on nested queries, subqueries concept. So my intention is very clear. So if I do some queries, so you'll practice more examples on the each kind of questions. So then we'll get a uh, more knowledge and more concept or more practice on the subqueries or nested queries. So you have to work more. Okay. So likewise, so whatever is possible, so in the we are extending different queries. So you need to try more queries also. Then you'll get a better understanding. Okay. So I hope you got the point. The department doesn't have the employees. Now let us take one more question. Find employee name who is having. If you want to note, you can note. Find employee names. Otherwise, I am posting in chart. Once you can see. Find employee name who is having more than the average salary of them. Average salary of. So again, it is related to the single table only. You can see here. Select Star from UMP. So here department table is not required. Find the employee name who is having the highest salary than the um, total salary of employees. So how to get the total salary, average salary? You have to calculate average salary. So select average of each salary from EM. So this is the average salary. So we have already discussed how to get the total salary. This is the total salary. So our question is, we need to pick the who are having uh, their salary is greater than the average salary. So average salary is 44,857.14. So we wanted to get the details. Select e-name from e-name, and we want to print e-salary, and we want to print EAD. We can print no problem. It is already there in employee table. Employee where e-salary greater than greater than more than their average salary. Select average of e-salary from EMP only. You can see here 62,000 and 72,000, and their name is Ramesh and Narasimha. So the average salary of the employee is 44,000. So here first one he is having 22,000 and he belongs to 10th department. This is not correct. 42,000, this is also less than the average salary, and 62,000 it is the greater than the average salary. So to get the average salary, the inner query will calculate the average salary. So this will pass as I already explained. So this average salary will be passed to the salary greater than. So 62,000. Here all e-salaries will be there. So it is greater than uh, average salary. 44,000 will be printed here. So here list of e-salaries will be there. So that's why we are checking here like one by one. 22,000 is greater than 44,000 or not? No. Then it will not be printed. 42,000 is greater than 44,000 or not? No, it is not printed. 62,000 is greater than 44,000 or not? Yes. So then this data is printed. You can observe here. And 32,000 is greater than average salary or not? No. 72,000 is greater than 44 average salary or not? Yes, correct. So that's why 72,000 is printed and the department. Similarly, 42,000 is less than average salary, and so these two are repeated. So this is the answer for the question, how to find the average salary, employee details, who is having the salary more than their average salary of their their average salary. So department wise average salary we have already calculated. Department wise average salary in previous queries. You can go to the beginning of this video. We already calculated who is getting the salary more than the department average salary. Okay, and also we have calculated who is getting the salary more than their average salary. Okay. Similarly, so if you want to calculate, so these queries we can do with all kind of questions. Select star from EMP. Select star from department. Okay. So based on these two database or values, so we are practicing the subqueries. Similarly, you take another database and you can try for different type of queries, subqueries using in operator, not in operator, and less than or relational operators, and by combining the correlated queries also. So here we are including independent nested queries and correlated nested queries also. So if you want to know in detail about nested queries and independent nested queries, correlated nested queries. So the theory concept and with the example it is already explained in previous videos. You can go to the playlist and check about the concepts related to that. So anyhow, that's all for now. So we practice more examples on this, and we'll meet in the next video with the more number of examples. Thank you all.